Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness, where I make healthy, delicious vegan recipes. In today's video, I have a what I eat in a day video for you. These are all healthy recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I love them so much and I hope you will as well. So let's get into the video. So for breakfast, I had some hash browns, some sauteed peppers and onions and mushrooms, and a cashew cream sauce on top. So for the cheesy cashew cream sauce, I'm adding 1 cup of soaked cashews to a blender, 3/4 cups of water, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a pinch of cayenne pepper, a half teaspoon of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. And here I'm just sauteing 1 green pepper, 1 yellow onion, and some cremini mushrooms that I sliced up. And I'm just going to sprinkle some sea salt and some black pepper on it and let it cook down. So I'm using these frozen hash browns that I got from Trader Joe's. I'm just adding it to a bowl and now I'm adding my seasonings. I'm adding some sea salt, some garlic powder, black pepper, some onion powder, a little bit of paprika, and now I'm just going to drizzle on a little bit of grapeseed oil. Now I'm just adding it to my air fryer, and I air fried it at 390 degrees for 13 minutes.
Get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curves like a new adventure, pulling me into the center close. So yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curves got me going crazy. Can't control it, cannot see it. Oh man.
For lunch, I had the most bomb veggie tacos. It has refried beans on it, potatoes, and the same cashew cream sauce that I made earlier. So I'm slicing up 1 green pepper and a yellow onion. And the same as earlier, I'm just sauteing these in a pan with a little bit of oil and a little salt and pepper. So here I'm slicing up 3 Yukon Gold potatoes. I sliced them thin. And I'm seasoning it with some sea salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and I'm drizzling on some grapeseed oil. And I'm going to crisp it up on one side in a hot skillet. Add a little bit of oil to it. Once one side is crispy, I gently mix it up and I add about 1/4 cup of water. I turn the flame down to low and I put the lid on and I just let it cook down. And you know when the potatoes are done once it's soft. And now I'm going to assemble my tacos. These refried beans are really good. I found these at Kroger. Make sure your refried bean says vegan or vegetarian because a lot of them have like lard in it and stuff. I put the refried beans down, the peppers and onions, potatoes, and now I'm topping it with a little bit of the Daiya vegan cheese. Not because I need to, but I had a little bit left over, so I just added it. But it really doesn't need it. The cashew cream sauce is definitely enough. I added a little bit of oil to a skillet and I just cooked it until the corn tortilla got a little crispy at the bottom. I'm adding more of the cashew cheese sauce that I made earlier for breakfast. This stuff is amazing on these tacos. And I'm also adding a little bit of sriracha at the top. And I topped it with a little bit of green onion. Okay, these tacos smell amazing. I made 3 of them, but my mom wanted one. So I gave her one. And she took the one in the middle that didn't have the vegan cheese on it, and she said these were absolutely amazing. And my mom is not easy to please when it comes to food because she's a really great cook and everything, and she knows what flavors go together, but she absolutely loved these. And they smell so good. I'm not just saying that because I made it. It smells so amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so good. If you like tacos, you need to make this. The best veggie taco I ever had in my life. The chipotle refried beans really adds a lot of flavor to it. And the potatoes provide such a great texture to it. The peppers and onions. I have to make another one of these. I'll be back. I'm back with my 2 tacos. I said I'm making more tacos because they're so good. My mom's like, make some for me as well. So I just made 2 more for her. And these, I didn't put the cheese on it. I just put the cashew cream because that's all it needs. I could eat these every day of my life. I'm not gonna eat all this in front of you. That's not fair. But please make these. You will not regret it. I promise. So dinner was pretty basic. I just had some roasted vegetables. I had some delicata squash, some butternut squash, and some zucchini that I roasted. This is the delicata squash that I got from Trader Joe's. This squash is absolutely delicious. I never had it before until now, and it's so good. And you don't have to peel the skin because the skin is really thin. So I do recommend trying this squash if you never had it before. It's definitely one of my faves. And I'm just slicing it into little moon shapes, as you can see. And I peeled a butternut squash, and now I'm chopping that up as well. I just chopped up like 1/4 of it, not even half. And now I'm chopping up some zucchini and red onion. Okay, I'm just adding it to a sheet pan, adding some sea salt, some black pepper, and a little bit of grapeseed oil, and that is it. I baked it at 400 degrees for maybe about 25 minutes, but just until it's browned at the bottom.
So, yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you.
And once it was done, I ate it with some leftover fried cauliflower rice. It's really good. You should make that. And that was it. That was my dinner. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my what I eat in a day video. Hey, Bam Bam. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you make any of these recipes, make sure to tag me at NamNamToFitness on Instagram or on Twitter. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.